Folks, Ezra Ondara hapa. You are watching Ezra Ondara TV. Now, remember, like I told you, when it comes to house hunting in Nakuru, Ezra Ondara is the way, the truth, and the only way. Now, what I'm about to say in this video is purely my observations, no expertise at all. You know, I've barely been in this market, Tata Nawambia, you know, I'm the way, the truth, and the only way. I've barely been around for 2 years. There are folks who have been in this field for like 20 years. You know, the Clanite Franks and what have you, wamekuwa in this, I mean, for the longest time ever. And hopefully, you know, one of the veterans in the real estate is watching, ndio aweze kunichanua kwa hii maneno ambayo I'm about to present. Now, there's a client ambayo I came across, all right, nikiwa ziara zangu za kuwatafutia apartments, all right, to bring to you, of course. Now, this person is selling their home for 11 million. It's a home which they have lived in for the last, since 2007, all right. They built the home in 2007, and now they are looking to sell that home in 2023. For me, I find it a hard sell, all right. We came across each other. So when I presented myself, no kaniambia, you know what, I have a home actually, I'm looking to sell it. Ukipata client unaweza niletea. But I really find it a very hard sell in this day and age. Now, for one, right now, for example, in Nakuru, there are many developers who are, who are building homes right now. You know, others are gated communities. I've brought some of those homes here on my channel, all right? And actually, some of them are even cheaper. All right, they are cheaper than the 11 million. They are brought homes for 8 million, 8.5 million, 6.5 million, 9 million. So, and these are brand new homes, all right, built now in 2023, with modern finishing, modern trends. So I'm just wondering, why would someone go to buy a home that was built in 2007? People have lived in that home until this day, and not buy a brand new home. That is question one. Question two, now, moving on. Let us look at the individuals who are buying homes today, all right? So these are, okay, the ones that I've met, these are 30-something-year-olds, these are 40-year-olds, a few 50-year-olds, But, okay, and these guys, most of them, you see, they have new money. All right, and new money, it's flashy, it's fancy, it's shouting. So I'm looking at this individual. Would this individual, all right, avoid buying homes? I mean, a home that is a futuristic home, from the design to finishing and everything, a futuristic home, okay, to going to buy a home that somebody has lived in that home, a home that was built in 2007, ideally an old home. So I'm trying to imagine the client of today. Why would they go to buy that home and avoid buying the homes that I'm showing on the screen? All right. I mean, these are just designs, all right, courtesy of Ak Okanga on Twitter. I just took the pictures from Twitter. Credit to that guy. And you can see even from the pictures, I mean, these are modern, ultra-modern homes, contemporary homes. So why would someone go to buy your home in Ilijengwa 2007, an old home, and not this home? And now, the client of today, like I've said, these folks with new money, would they really go to invest in that home when they have an option of, even at 11 million, somebody can buy property, even for 4 million, all right, and then build a home, all right? I see Akokanga, for example, giving quotations of 8 million, 7 million, and these are brand new homes, futuristic homes with modern design. So why would someone go to buy that home, that old home, and not the new, the new models? Tafadhali, like I said, I come from, a point of no expertise. For those who have been in the field, tafadhali, I know they said, real estate appreciates value, but surely when someone has got these options, and again, the client of today who wants brand new things, flash things, things like the ones that Akokanga is putting out here. So why would you go to buy a home that, okay, not a flat roof, you go inside, the rooms are not really, the finishing is not really like, contemporary. Tafadhali, real estate experts, the comment section, nearly Mishe. I've barely been in the field for about 2 years. And from that, from this observation is why I think I often come across some properties in Milimani, Nakuru, And you find, I mean, you see homes that were built maybe, I mean, okay, you look at a home and you see this home must have been built maybe 50 years ago, all right? And you come across such homes and unaambiwa they are for sale. And now I start to understand why rarely people buy those homes. And actually, some of them have been converted into churches, into clubs, all right? You go to Milimani there, you find some, some joints pale. But ukiangalia joint unaona hii ni nyumba. Unaona ni mtu ameconvert nyumba, akaweka joint, kuna counter pale, nje maybe kwa garden akaweka tu viti. Cause surely it's a hard sell for me. Unaona? So the true experts, tafadhali nisaidie hapa. Hizo swali mbili nimeuliza. Mbona leo hii mtu invest 11 million kwa nyumba ambayo mtu ameishi all that long na usibuy contemporary home, and now the client of today, huyu mtu anabai nyumba saa hii, will this person really go for such a home when they have some fancy things out here, some flashy homes out there that they can spend their money on? Real estate experts, over to you. Yours truly, Ezra Ondara. Subscribe to the channel. Remember, when it comes to house hunting in Nakuru, I am the way, the truth, and the only way. This week, I'm going to bring you some nice apartments, 2-bedroom apartments. Watch out for that one. See you in the next one.